Ginuras ko na o. Halin sa una, ginata ko na, iday ko na ng mga 16 anos ko. Kag ginuras silang katas na tawago.
Kata ha.
Oo, ate, okay na? Okay na ko, okay na? Kaya ano, ikaw na, okay na ko. Yan ako na. Okay na?
Okay na.
Oh. Taratatat, 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 tong, 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 tong. Philippines and great history according to autography. Manila is capital city. Province queen from another country. Metro Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Saputi, Malabo, Las Piñas, Paranaque. From the North Batanes, Apare, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Arak ko na po na anak ng lugar. Now, let's go to the Southern Luzon. Camarines, Norte Quezon, Albay, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon. I want small, Mindoro, Marinduque, Rondon, Linaw, Sordisayan, people in Skokunas, and Skor. Ay, si Bomaktan Mandawi. Ay, Bohol sa Marlete. Ay, Elo, Capiz, Aklan, Antique, Palawan, Negros, Bacolod, Siquijor, Dumaguete. Now let's go to the province, the land of Mindanao. Bukidnon sa Misamis, Mambahaw, Butuan, Lagusan, Surigao, Cagayan de Oro, Iligan, Osamis, and the street from Manila, Davao, Davao Sur, Oriental, the Norte, Cotabato, Lalo, Sulu, Tawi, Tawi. Of course, I'll bring down the Manila is capital city. Of course, I'll bring down the according to autography. Philippines